How to use kettlebells, 5 essential kettlebell lifts for a great workout. Mixing things up and trying something different helps keep exercise interesting and the body stimulated. Whether you're tired of your current routine, or you're on the hunt for a new class to try out, a kettlebell workout makes a great alternative to your traditional barbell and dumbbell focused classes. If you're unsure of where to start with kettlebells, you're in the right place. We've put together 5 essential lifts that you can incorporate into your gym plan or combine into a single routine for a great at-home workout. The history of kettlebells. The popularity of kettlebells, or girya in Russian, were first introduced to the Western world in the early 20th century by Russian fitness pioneer Pavel Tsatsouline. Tsatsouline helped popularize kettlebell training as an effective method for building strength and improving overall fitness. Today, kettlebell exercises are used in gym and home workouts worldwide. Their unique shape and weight distribution challenges your balance and stability whilst engaging your core during a lift, setting them apart from traditional dumbbells and barbells. Unrivaled functional training. If you enjoy lifting but struggle to see the practical health benefits of your current routine, kettlebells are perfect for you. Because of their unique shape, kettlebells add a functional element to your weightlifting routine that you can't get with dumbbells or a barbell. Kettlebell exercises are dynamic and multi-jointed, mimicking the real-life movements you'll make on a day-to-day basis. They focus on strengthening the muscles around your joints to promote longevity and fluid movement. They're also highly versatile, allowing you to target various muscle groups while improving your balance and coordination. Whether you're aiming for increased muscle mass, weight loss, or building all-round fitness, incorporating kettlebells into your routine is a fun and effective way to mix up your workout routine and achieve your long-term fitness goals. Before you start, kettlebells can be difficult to use if you're new to the gym or used to working out with dumbbells and barbells. Working with a personal trainer is a great way to stay safe and really hone your form before trying some of the more difficult exercises on your own. If you are new to kettlebells, it's important you concentrate on form. We recommend starting out with our beginner exercises before moving on to their intermediate and advanced variations. New to the gym? If you're new to the gym or haven't done much weightlifting before, kettlebells can be a bit intimidating. If you're looking for something a bit more accessible, there's plenty of other weightlifting exercises you can do to build muscle in the gym or with weights at home. For more information on starting to weightlift, click here to see our favorite beginner exercises. Why you should be using kettlebells. Kettlebells are incredibly accessible and can be purchased for use at home. Their centralized weight and handle allow you to perform more mobile lifts that target multiple muscle groups at once, making them great for getting a quick but effective workout if you're in a hurry. Take a look at the 5 exercises we've put together below to help get you started with kettlebells. How to do a kettlebell row. Difficulty: beginner, single, and intermediate. Double. Area targeted: arms, shoulders, core, back. Rows are a great way to target the rear of your shoulders and upper back. The advantage of using a kettlebell over a barbell to do these is that you have greater control over where your hands and arms are positioned during each rep. Both the single and double variation of this exercise use the same formula.